I would rather have questions that can't be answered, than answers that can't be questioned. Science is the belief in the ignorance of experts. It doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is, it doesn't matter how smart you are. If it doesn't agree with experiment, it's wrong. Fall in love with some activity, and do it. Nobody ever figures out what life is all about, and it doesn't matter. Explore the world. The first principle is that you must not fool yourself, and you are the easiest person to fool. There is no learning without having to pose a question, and a question requires doubt. If you thought that science was certain, well, that is just an error on your part. We need to teach how doubt is not to be feared but welcomed. It's okay to say, I don't know. Study hard what interests you the most in the most undisciplined, irrelevant and original manner possible. Progress in science comes when experiments contradict theory. We never are definitely right, we can only be sure we are wrong. You can always recognize truth by its beauty and simplicity. What is not surrounded by uncertainty cannot be the truth. Science is the organized skepticism, in the reliability of expert opinion. We have this terrible struggle to try to explain things, to people who have no reason to want to know.